What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning. Hope you're all doing well, at least relatively good. Obviously, if you're invested a lot in the crypto market, this might be like psychologically, emotionally, that this might be a little bit hard. But this video is a little bit more positive. We'll be covering Ethereum. We'll be talking about the fundamentals. And also the technicals. First of all, I mean, the main thing to start with, obviously, is yesterday the inflation rate numbers, which was the last, well, at least planned. First, I quickly wanted to grab your attention for my new partner, BingX. BingX is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges out there. It's 100% legit, and you have a lot of cryptos to trade and buy. And apart from that, if you sign up right now through the link down in the description, you get a 10% off all transaction fees forever, and you can get up to a $125 bonus for free. Now let's get on with the rest of the video. A fundamental event this week, and still a lot can happen, but this was the planned event. I mean, you had the elections and the inflation rate, which was lower than expected, quite a bit actually. So that's massively bullish. I already said yesterday that if that would happen, that we would get up to 1350 again, which was a pretty accurate statement and prediction, which usually doesn't happen with news like that. I have to be honest, but still, it's that's what happened. After that, we dropped down, and now it seems like we are as strong again as we were here, which is great for Ethereum. I mean, Bitcoin is still way lower. The main thing why Ethereum is stronger is, well, I think it's a better product, but that's not the point. It's also that you know, all the Bitcoin that's out there, it's well, some is obviously on wallets that can no longer be can no longer be used, but other parts of it are or most of the Bitcoin supply is actually in the hands of owners, you know, and they can transact it however they want. A lot of Ethereum is actually locked up in staking and stuff, so that's just another barrier to selling, while the demand actually, well, could easily increase. So that happens right here. So yeah, I mean, I would argue it's not as strong as right here yet. I mean, the fundamentals economically are very bullish, and politically, I would also say they're pretty bullish. Like if you like see the whole world. Here you can see, for example, the DXY, the dollar index, obviously also because of that inflation rate, has dropped down significantly, and we're not finding major support. So that's amazing too. And then like fundamentally, if you like take a look at the crypto industry, that's the problem. That's still a little bit bearish. There's like we don't know everything about the whole FTX saga. Still, we don't know how much liquidity there is. We don't know what tokens they own. I'm not sure if they will ever release that unless there's some sort of a bankruptcy going on, because then it would probably be made public. But for now, we don't know. So there's still a lot of uncertainty, which is bearish. So right now, you can also see that we have found support at 1225. That's not a support level which we usually found support at. Personally, I do think that we'll be able to get into that consolidation again between like 1350 and 1225. Well, ultimately then now, but it's still very insecure. And in this whole, I mean, if we get some bad news from FTX again, we'll easily break through 1225 again and drop down to this 1150 level. So that's something you should always be well, not scared about, but you should have it at the back of your mind that that could happen. So that you're at least prepared for it. You know, that's the most important thing I think. In general, I'm pretty optimistic. I think we can hold this, and I don't think we'll drop down. But it's we'll have to see. So I'll be back with more updates on Ethereum, obviously every day. But for now, I want to thank you all for watching and listening, and take care. Bye.